Welcome back to Bear's Rod Shop for Monday, June the 27th, and a little more progress on the scroll saw table. And after this video today, I'm going to put a bunch of short clips as I built the frame, kind of time consuming, stop, start, because, you know, again, I have to go in and tend to the bride that's bedridden with that cancer. So it's a little hard to get focused on. By the time I set up, need to go check on her 20, 30 minutes, an hour. But today is a good day. She's resting well. Just got through with lunch, took her meds, out like a baby. I mean, just within 15, 20 minutes, crashed. Okay, got some good news from wonderful old Harold. He's sent us a nice sticker, not news, but was waiting on it. A nice note. Thank you, Harold. And yes, it says that you're real busy every day. I don't know where our time goes. I just looked up, you know, I was at the class of 71 back there in, let's see, June of last year. Yeah, June. Where did he go? 50 years. Thanks, Harold, for the note. Gotta give you a handout too. The only envelope I ever seen, I didn't have to pull my pocket knife out. I actually could pull this apart real easy. Good deal on the envelope, Harold. Save your address, and we'll be sending you some gift items from BRS here shortly. And I know you could use some emery cloth. We'll keep you in mind. You just send me an email of what the most popular grit that you use, and I go everything from 80 all the way to 360. So you tell me what you use mostly, and they're 50-yard rolls, so they'll last you a few days. In our lifetime, a few days is a few years. ARW, very nice sticker. Let's see if we can focus in on Houston on the Bears sticker board. Right here. Now these are still Joe Pies pictures that I'm gonna have developed later, put in that Hall of Fame. But right here is Houston, Texas. And I'd already started peeling this back. It looks like as hot as it is in the shop. There we go, Harold. Nice sticker, very nice. Houston, Texas. I'm gonna put the center of the thumb nut right here, right on Houston, and let you hang a little in the ocean, and because I don't know exactly where you're at without checking that address out. But if I'm ever down your way, that looks really good. Let's see if we can zoom in here a little bit. Well, can't zoom in. We just move the camera right up there to it. Right on Houston. And of course, man, I haven't been there since, 1980 when I left out of there. But really makes a nice piece, Harold, for the board. I'm going to set this back. Oh, as soon as I sit down without falling down, it's about 103 in here today. Put this back in the holder. This I do not have the drafting, you know, capacity or knowledge yet. Fusion 360. I've got, FreeCAD and all that. So this is how I do everything. I just do kind of like Rusty Knox, Michelle, whip it out on a piece of paper. A lot of projects been done even in bid jobs in a cafe, sometimes on a napkin. I mean, big jobs. You know, we give them an estimate, and then we go down and we'll get it on the PC. And well, I'm getting off the subject. During my welding, let me back up. This is a good friend of mine way back. It did on the Corvette. Steve Bell's machine shop. It's this Bell's machine. I bought this when he was selling out some tools, and it's a Speed Glass 3M hood. Tell you what, these are the Cadillac's meow. First time I had to look at a video Saturday to figure out how to take it apart to clean the lens. I hadn't cleaned the lens since on it. Battery's still pristine. But if you guys own one of these Swedish built Speedglass 3x3M, give me a comment down below how you like them. I love them. Well, you don't even hardly feel them on your head. The old Jacksons we used to wear back in the ironworking days. Feel like you're dragging a Volkswagen around on your noggin. All right, this is a little progress. I'm gonna turn this around here. I have got a bunch of short clips, like I say, I'll put together at the end when we finalize this. But yesterday I put this tag up there on just one of the clips another day because it was 105. I was going to, you can see I got my TIG welder all set up. And this morning, it's at 8 o'clock, it was 99. And so I went ahead and used my 175 Lincoln, and I went ahead and just MIG weld everything. And my welds aren't the prettiest anymore. I kind of look like Rooster Cogburn with one eye because I got cataracts so bad, but I use the flux core wire, and that way I can keep the fan over here going, not take the argon away from it. I do have both types of wire, but I chose to go ahead and have the fan because, as you can tell how I'm dressed, it's hotter than a firecracker in here. Fixing to get this thing out. I'll grind the welds. It will get sandblasted, the whole frame, before it's painted. And this just a quick update here for June the 27th at Bear's Rod Shop. You guys stay well, healthy, and please put your comments down below. Hit that like button, and we're growing slowly. I think we're at 339. We'd love to see 1,000 here by the end of the year. So please pass around if you like our content. And one last time at Harold's over at the ARW, American Redneck Workshop. Harold, that sticker looked just perfect up there. And so yesterday I was 60% done, which I am. Got to stain the nice piece of oak, which is going to be done in tung oil. Don't mean to be flashing the camera all around, but tung oil is what we're going to put it in. And should have the bed mounted, or the table finished up by the weekend, then to the 55 for sure. Bear's Rod Shop, we're out.